Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. We got Honey Bun, 2 times as nice. Honey Bun with big time earnings. We're going to talk about them twice in tonight's show. We got Honey Bun Limited here trading in their shares and advisory that a director sold a total of 850,000 shares on February 2nd, 2022. We're seeing lots of shares move in Honey Bun over the past couple of months. Now, Cargo Handlers Limited, CHL, ticker symbol here. First quarter earnings jumping by a whopping, not a small, not a mid-size amount, a whopping 143% here. These are the 3 months to December 31st of last year. EPS registered 17 cents per share versus 7 cents per share year over year. Net profit was 63.7 million and the revenue improved also by 43% year over year. That doesn't include the FX gain for the period. Now revenue hit 116.9 million Jamaican. The FX gain was actually 12.7 million for the quarter. Now Gwest Corporation, different side of the tape here. They've lowered losses overall, but they're still, having some losses, weather in the storm here. This is for the third quarter and the 9 months year to date. So they're still going through the motions overall by Gwest Corporation, but getting a little bit better, and that's what counts. Net loss though, 11 million Jamaican versus 13.1 million for the third quarter, December 31st last year, and it's year over year. Year to date, or 9 months, net loss improved also, but still 29.1 million Jamaican, still a large number. The current ratio tightened as well, something that we don't like to see on Business Live, as at December 31st, 2021, closed at under 1 times. Critical ratio there at 0.94 times. Now, year-over-year borrowings, that also increased. This is the other borrowings line item, increased by 92 million Jamaican. Now, we're going to talk about Honey Bun again. Honey Bun 1982 Limited, talk about their earnings. They just keep increasing. The makers of Shorty Bread, the earnings here, surging by 43% for the first quarter. Registered actually 10 cents per share Jamaican versus 7 cents per share Jamaican for the quarter ended December last year. Operating revenue also, which is a good sign, not just the earnings, but the operating revenue showing you some increase here, popping to Jamaican 664 million versus 461 million, and the net profit, that critical figure, 45.5 million. Now, cash and cash equivalents, a huge figure here, and just growing. When you look at that balance sheet and you see cash growing by 100 million, 200 million Jamaican year over year, not just retained earnings and so forth, but cash, that cash flow statement and the cash item on the balance sheet of a company. Honey Bun's doing it. 408 million Jamaican in the balance sheet at the close of the period here. Big time number. Last up tonight, TransJamaican Highway Limited, rallying for 2021 to a fair year end. Change of fortune here for TJH, ticker symbol. They had a rough period before with an audited loss, so good to see the unaudited close to 2021, 12 months to December 31st of US 3.99 million net profit, just under 4 million US. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live. Have a fantastic Valentine's Day.